Halo everybody, kita setelah menamatkan Digimon Story Lost Evolution, kita beralih ke game baru, yaitu game apa ini? Udah jelas ya, ada Pikachu ya. BTW ini guys, kenapa nggak gua livein? Karena belajar dari series Pokemon yang sebelumnya, kalau setiap sejam tuh pasti nge-crash. Jadi gue belum sempet nge-save, udah hilang datanya. Jadi ya udah gua record aja. Kemarin udah gue bilang ya, jadi jangan minta gue live-livein karena gue mainnya di HP, kakak. Let's go, let's do this. English lah ya. Let's go. You have a message from the Alola region on Professor Kukui. Ini rada-rada nge-lag nih, soalnya kayak nge-loading gitu guys. Biasa lah kayak kemarin, dia jadi nge-loadingnya pas real time gitu. Good afternoon. Oh iya, ini 3DS ya, jadi ngikutin jam gua. Alola is a region made up of several islands. That could be the reason the region is full of nothing but rare Pokemon, yeah. There's no shortage of cool Pokemon out here in Alola either. Such a mysterious creatures. Gila, ini siapa namanya? Lupa guys. Anjing batu. You find all over in the grass, in the cave, in the sky and sea. There's in Alola we love our Pokemon and we depend on them heaps too. Some of us even battle with if we call ourselves Pokemon trainers. Rockruff, ya namanya Rockruff guys. Can you tetap to play? Iya deh. Sus banget mukanya dah. Profesor ah, alright. We gotta ask you some question about yourself so I can introduce you to everybody. So which foto? Iya, foto nih, serius nih foto nih. Ya udah pastilah. The ganteng man. The ganteng man, Jun. Everybody. Salah. Kalau gede itu gimana guys? Salah pencet gua. Let's go. So you go by Jun? Yes. It's alright, no problemo. Good buddy, I'll let everybody out here know you're on your way, Jun. Yeah, that's a name that hits you like a thunderbolt out of the sky. Ooh. Can't wait to see you in person then, cousin. Sepupu dong, cousin. Yeah, the big black Jun, you know. Jun, come help me with this box. Siapa itu guys? Lu pada bisa gak sih baca tulisan Pokemon guys? Huruf-huruf Pokemon gitu. Siapa nih dikejar-kejar? Waduh, dikejar-kejar pak. Cewek lagi. Nih gue BTW belum pernah main juga ya guys, jadi nggak tahu. Kita main sebagai orang awam saja ya kan. Itulah nikmatnya orang awam, tidak tahu apa-apa tapi bisa menikmati sesuatu. Asik. Udah nge-lag tuh. Suaranya doang sih guys. Welcome to Pokemon Sun. everybody. Three months later. Ini pulau ya guys, kecil banget dah. Kecil banget guys. Kok kok. Anjay. Ini mak kita bukan? Oh, mak bener. Can you just feel the warmth? The first day spent under Alola sun. It's so warm and bright here, but that's enough of that. Time to unpack all this book. Meow, go get Jun for me. Would you? Meow. Nggak bisa ngomong ya Meow di sini ya. Nggak kayak di anime. Oh itu boneka dong, bukan Pikachu beneran. Merau, bukan meow. Wanjay, the big black Jun, you know. Meow. Oh digerakin, baru bawa jalan, sial. Meow. Kanto. Alas seem awfully far apart. Wii U. Pinter juga. Ini apa guys? There are moving box full of your belongings. Oke, kita ke bawah nih. Biasanya ke bawah guys. Ditto pillow and pocket toy are both covered in Meow claw mark. Si Meow tidurnya bareng kita, cok. You were out like a light. Gimana sih? Like a light. Where you ini Pokemon tuh bahasanya selalu ini guys, selalu susah dibaca buat gue guys. Gak tau kenapa ya. Kalau Digimon tuh bisa-bisa aja gue, yang lain juga bisa-bisa. So Jun, are you pumped to meet some Alolan Pokemon? Of course. Yeah, I'm excited, Mom. That's right, I want to hurry up and meet some too. We're living in the Alola region now, the beautiful island everyone wants to visit. I'm sure the Pokemon living in a place like this must be friendly, right? Siapa nih? What's that? The doorbell. That's got to be Professor Kukui. Why don't you let him in, Jun? Let's go. Suruh masuk nih, Bu. Jangan lah Bu, ntar lu diapa-apain Bu, nggak usah. Jangan Jun, gue mau naik aja lah. Beneran lo dia naik. Buka deh, kasihan. Jadi masuk-masuk aja lu, belum dibukain juga. Hey there Jun, the name's Kukui. Good to meet you, cousin. You gotta be tired after that long trip all the way out here to Alola. You feeling any jet lag? We sure are a long way from Kanto out here in Alolan. It's still daytime out here, yeah? Welcome to Alola. Yoi. Hey now Jun, let's get a move on to the next town over, cousin. Time for you to meet the island kahuna. and get yourself a Pokemon, yeah? Pokemon? Yeah, sure, the Kauna who lives in Ikiton. Perasaan gue nanya a Pokemon dah. Kenapa tiba-tiba Kauna? Mau jawaban apapun ceritanya bakal sama aja gitu. Crazy strong Pokemon trainers. My boy a Pokemon, then those Kahunas really are worth meeting. Ready and get ready, Jun. You're back. Seperti biasa setting-setting dulu nih guys. Kayaknya teksnya terlalu lama dah. Oh, kotak ya di sini ya. Nah, ini Fast battle effect cukup lah. Save dulu. Cepet banget guys. Oh, bisa lari kok. Moving box. Yo, screw. Kita pakai topi dan ini ya. Gila. The Big Black John in Alola, baby. Oke, gue siap nih. Kemana nih kita ya? Stallion Head Cousin. Your mom, she's sure looking forward to you getting your first Pokemon ya? Ikiton. Kita ke Ikiton nih, Nyet. Oh, kita udah gerak guys. Let's go.